Chester, and we all went to University of Chester. That's where we all met. Me and Bella were in the same year, and Rachel's in the year below. And then we'd all kind of like done uni, blah blah blah, and we thought let's start a band. So we did, and that's it, really.
Just trying to get some stuff together, like ready for an album at some point, but we don't really know when yet. Just kind of write in, see how it goes, get as many shows as we can. Just enjoy it.
And just gigging loads, yeah.
Gigging and writing, gigging and writing. That's it, really.
I'm self-taught anyway. I kind of started off at university as a guitarist vocalist, but then stopped playing guitar and focused on my vocals, and then when we all got together I had to pick it back up again. So
You basically learned.
I basically relearned like guitar all over again.
Which
So
is pretty rare. Like,
yeah.
So
Remembered the basics, but
yeah.
improved vastly.
And then just with like gigging and writing, it all just gets
better
better as time goes on with more practice.
I started off like drumming when I was about 12, 13, just getting drum lessons, like practicing in my room and stuff. And then when I came to uni and like college and stuff like that, that's when I started playing in bands, but it was all covers, and then got to play with these guys, and then it definitely, I'd never written a song before until I was like in a band with these guys, so I think it helps you with that, definitely.
Yeah, it's a totally different scenarios. You usually start like gigging in front of people you don't know and stuff. I remember our first gig, we were so nervous, like so nervous, because you just don't know if you're good or anything, and then the nerves and the adrenaline like sometimes can get the better of you, like some shows. But we've played enough now, we're near like on a like 80th gig or something. I think I counted it the other day.
Yeah.
So we're okay now. We kind of feel pretty comfortable on stage now. Yeah.